Good afternoon, everybody. Somewhat girly here with my next unboxing video. Just in case you haven't been here before, or if you have and you forgot, I'm visually impaired, so I use various implements including reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details of the objects I'm looking at. Sometimes I get them wrong. Oh well. Anyway, Ipsy is a makeup subscription. By the way, it is a very warm day outside. So I have the window open, so you will hear all the traffic, which is okay. Maybe some ASMR. And me struggling to get this open. Feels like there's something might be outside the bag. Ooh, sparkly. Alright. That's it. And it looks like it's just the card, maybe? Keep growing. Is that our theme? It's very spring-like. I like that. Keep growing. Daisies are one of my favorite flowers. I feel like we've gotten a bag like this before. The shiny material. Maybe it was like a top zip or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I really do think that this might be... It's not a repeat, I don't think, but the material might be. It's very vinyl-y. Like, not vinyl-y, pleathery? Okay. This is cloth. Usually it's not cloth. And of course now I get the hiccups. Alright. Let's see. First item is a squeezy tube. If you watch anybody else, you know how we all love squeezy tubes. Let's give this a zoom. Alright. Watermelon glow. Niacinamide dewdrops. That noise did not match that car, by the way. Let's see here. Ultimate glow and brightening. Is it something that goes underneath your foundation, maybe? I don't know. Has the ingredient? It doesn't really say. I'm sure someone else knows. Like, you know, you guys let me know. All right, next item. Oh, I got a pencil. It's a pencil of something. Here we go. AM to PM. Lottie. Is that Lottie London? All right. Classic point. I think it's just a crayon. Let's go here. Oh, that's smooth. Oh, that went on very smooth. Oops. That was the smoothest I had ever seen. Like, felt. I meant felt. That is the smoothest. So, Lottie London, AM to PM. Alright. Their bubble wrap is now pink. Like, they've been... they've been using a lot of pink in their Ipsy bags lately. But we got ourselves... My trash can keeps moving. I'm sorry. We got ourselves... What is this? I'm going to say it's blush. V Cosmetics. It is a blusher. It says it's in Magnolia. 3 counties is here. I swear. Alright. There we go. It's nice and soft. Let's see here. Let's get a little bit more. It seems like it's going to be a very nice pinky flush. That's not... Alright. Another 2, but this one's way bigger. Is this a hand cream? I haven't had a hand cream in a while. Okay. Let's see here. We have got Dion's with a cute little goat. Goat milk skincare. Since 1982. Act like it's been a million years. It has not. It's a body lotion. Hydrates and moisturizes. Smooths and repair dry skin. And it says it's in white, jasmine, and shea. Alright. Last thing in here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, do we finally have a lipstick? Or is this going to be a balm? Off the packaging, I found the label. Lucky Chick? I have never heard of you guys. It's a nice plastic, nice matte finish. Okay. Oh. Doesn't have a weird smell. That's good. Sometimes some of the smaller brands that come out have kind of weird smells to them. But let's give this a go. It's a nice neutral shade. I'm not exactly 100% sure what it means to have a neutral shade. I just know that sometimes it looks like my lips, but better. So that is actually really nice. But yeah, these are very, I'd say, spring fresh colors, except for, you know, of course, the eyeliner, which, by the way, it's dry now. Does that, let's see, what's the finger that has it on? Will it smudge? Oh. No smudging. It dries down nicely. All right, everybody. I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.